The Media Industry Digital Plan, or IDP, supports local media enterprises and professionals to develop digital capabilities to thrive in the digital economy. Globally, media industries are undergoing fundamental changes fueled by technology disruption, ongoing audience fragmentation, and intensified competition. Although the local media industry is affected by shrinking margins and rising costs, there are opportunities for growth by going digital. Besides meeting their operational needs, SMEs can create new value by using digital technology to improve audience engagement and enhance storytelling. The IDP is designed to be a step-by-step guide to help SMEs at each stage of their growth. SMEs can use the digital roadmap of the IDP to assess their digital readiness and take action to get started. For SMEs in an early stage of their digital journey and looking to get digital economy ready, the IDP identifies solutions to help streamline business operations and optimize resources. These include solutions for managing production schedules, engaging freelance talent and vendors, and optimizing digital media assets. SMEs intending to grow further in the digital economy can look forward to digital solutions that help in opening up new markets and connecting with the media ecosystem. For SMEs who are considering to use advanced technology to leap ahead, can look forward to solutions that use blockchain, artificial intelligence, and immersive technology. The IDP includes a digital training roadmap that helps the industry's workforce to be equipped with the necessary skills to adopt digital solutions and be ready for changes that come with going digital. Begin your digital journey today.